Okay, so this is going up, so this is just going to be like 0 and stuff. I don't know if it's supposed to be positive infinity. Well, actually, never mind. It stops right here. That's why it's 0. I'll get back to that later. Okay, so since this left is going down, this is going to be negative infinity. Since this left is going down, this is going to be negative infinity. Since this left is going down, this is going to be negative infinity. Down, up, down, up, down, up is the range. Down, up is the range, down, up is the range, down, up is the range. Down, 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 up, up, up. Down, 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 up, up, up. Alright, and since this arrow is going up forever, up forever, up forever, then this is a positive number, then this is a positive number, then this is a positive number. And domain is left and right. So, hold up. Alright, so this range has nothing because it never goes ups and down. This range, you don't see any type of infinity sign because it's not going up and down. You're not going up and down, you're only going left and right. You're not going, alright, the arrows left and right, arrows left and right, arrows left and right. The arrows aren't going up and down at all. The arrows aren't going up and down at all. The arrows aren't going up and down at all. So it has no range. It has basically no range. It has basically no range. So the range is like y, blah, 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 blah. The range is y, blah, blah, blah. The range is y, blah, 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 blah. This makes it easier to explain domain. Domain is dealing with left and right. As long as the arrows are pointing left and right, then it has a domain. As long as the arrows are pointing left and right, then it has a domain. As long as the arrows are pointing left and right, then it has a domain. Alright, so, hold up. Okay, anyway, hold up. Alright, so this is going left. Alright, so yeah, this is going left and right. So left forever, left forever, left forever means the domain is going to be negative infinity. Left, negative infinity, negative infinity. Right forever, right forever, right forever means the domain is going to be positive infinity, positive infinity, positive infinity. Down forever, range is negative infinity. Down forever, range is negative infinity. Down forever, range is negative infinity. Up forever, range is positive infinity. Up forever, range is positive infinity. Up forever, range is positive infinity. Seeing several examples makes it easier to understand. If you try to get it all with one graph and don't see several examples, it might be hard to understand if you try to get it all at once. Okay, so that's basically the explanation. When you see, alright, then the last part is linear function, linear function, linear function. This graph is, wait, hold on. Linear function is f of x equals x. Linear function is f of x equals x. Linear function equals f of x equals x. Real quick, functions are like a particular type of formula. Functions are a particular type of formula. Functions are a particular type of formula. Oof. Lord Jesus. And you see this function is this type of function, a constant function. Oh, it's different. And this is a quadratic function. Oh, it's different. And this function is a cubic function. Oh, it's different. I think you get the point by now. Hold on. And this function is a square root function. Oh, it's different. Okay? So now you know functions are just different mathematical formulas. Functions are different mathematical formulas. Functions are different mathematical formulas. So a linear function is f of x equals x. Linear function is f of x equals x. Linear function is f of x equals x. And when you see f of x, it just goes like this. Up, left, right here, right here, right here. F of x equals x. F of x equals x. F of x equals x. Okay, next one. This will be a constant function, constant function, constant function. I might put this later on the graph so that you automatically know what a constant function looks like, or you just got to memorize it by that time and know that by default this is a constant function. F of x equals c is a constant function. F of x equals c, f of x equals c, f of x equals c. Remember, c is for constant. C is for constant, c is for constant. And the constant function looks like this. Bam, 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 bam. Constant, constant, constant. Okay? Next one. Is this